Working alone, the times taken by Anu, Tanu and Manu to complete any job are in the ratio of 5:8:10. They accept a job which they can finish in 4 days if they all work together for 8 hours per day. That is 4 into 8, 32 hours. Right? Remember, this is the ratio of the times taken. So, Anu, Tanu, Manu, time taken, ratio 5:8:10, or their efficiency or extent to which they do, not even going to write efficiency, tasks per day or task per unit time. This is 1/5 is to 1/8 is to 1/10. Very simple funda. If you take 5 days to finish a task, in 1 day you can finish 1/5 of the task. If you take 8 days to finish a task, in 1 day you can finish 1/8 of the task. If you take 10 days to finish a task, in 1 day you can finish 1/10 of the task. So if you take 5 days, 8 days, 10 days, then in 1 day you finish 1/5, 1/8, 1/10. This is what you get done in 1 day, 1 unit of time. Lovely. So 1/5 is to 1/8 is to 1/10. LCM of 5 and 8 is 40. It's a multiple of 10 also. So multiply by 40. I'm going to take this ratio and multiply by 40. Why am I doing that? I really like dealing with integers, not with this 1/5 business. 1/5 into 40 is 8. 1/8 into 40 is 5. 1/10 is 40. This is the ratio of the rates at which they work. Or Anu does 8x units of work. Tanu does 5x units of work. Manu does 4x units of work in per time for 1 hour or 2 hours or 3 hours or whatever that measure of time. And then how long do they work for? They accept a job which they can finish in 4 days. They all work together for 8 hours per day. That means if I think of it as 8x, 5x, 4x, all three put together, 32 hours, they can finish the task. 8x plus 5x is 13x plus 4x is 17x. 17x into 32 is a total task. That's a task ahead of them. However, Anu and Tanu work together for the first 6 days, working 6 hours 40 minutes per day. Anu and Tanu, these two only, that is 8x plus 5x, this is 13x. They work 6 hours and 40 minutes per day for 6 days, or number of hours is 6 into 6, 2/3. 40 minutes is 40 by 60, 2/3 of an hour. 6 hours to 6, 2/3 hours. This is 20/3, 6 into 20/3, which is 40 hours. So what they do is 13x into 40. I'm guessing this is less than that. Otherwise they would have finished the entire task before that. What is the question then? Then the number of hours that Manu will take to complete the remaining job working alone. Was nice, simple. So the 17x into 32 is the size of the task. 13x into 40 gets done by these two in 6 days, working 6 hours 40 minutes per day. You find the difference. This is what Manu completes. So 17x into 32, 17 twos are 34, 4, 3, 51 plus 3, 54. 13 into 40 is 520. This is 544x, 520x. 24x is what Manu does. What can Manu do? Manu does 4x in 1 hour. 24x, he'll take 6 hours. 4x into 6 is 24x is 4x into 6. 4x units per hour, 6 hours Manu will work. Lovely question, but very time consuming question. You have to go from time to rate, get the ratios, define the total task, find out what has been completed, get to the remaining, then get to the number of hours Manu works.